Hello and welcome. In today's chapter, we'll talk about combining text in different cells of an Excel sheet. Let's say you have an Excel sheet, as you can see on my screen, which has date in one column, month in the second column, and year in the third column. And let's say the idea is that we should have a combined date instead of having the date, month, and year in different columns. Now, how do we create that combined date? The easiest function is to use a text join, and I'll show you how text join works. So all you have to do is to say equal to text join. The first argument which this text join takes is delimiter. Delimiter means how do you want the output to delimit different cell data which is coming. In our case, we want it to be separated by a space. So all we have to say is a space here. The second argument it takes is true. If it's true, it will ignore empty cells. If it's false, it will include empty cells. Let's say true because we don't want to include empty cells. And I'll show you in a minute what that means. So let's say true here. And the third argument it takes is all the text you want to combine. So in our case, we want to combine this text. So let's select this text. And here we go. So we got 12 December 2022. Now you can pull it down so that we get the results for each row here. See how simple it is? So all we did was use a text join with a space delimiter, a true argument, and the cells we wanted to combine. That's all there is. Now let's say there is an empty cell. So let's take this out. Let's take 6th and June out, and let's say we leave it only 2022. As you can see, it leaves only 2022 here because we said the text joins argument as true. And as you can see, there is no space in front of 2022 because true means to ignore the space. Now, if we say it false, let's call it false. It will now include the empty space in those two empty cells, from those two empty cells. So if you notice, there is an empty space, two empty spaces in front of 2022. That's all it means. So we don't want that. So we'll say here true, which will ignore the empty space in front of 2022. And that's how easy it is. So next time you have to combine cells in an Excel, use text join. It's beautiful. It's so easy. Thanks for watching the video.